whatever the items come, they should be arranged according to rows and columns. Any special information if you want, we can give in the head note. The number of women employee was 200, of which 175 does not belongs to trade union. Out of 1,590, 1,290 again, the balance is 290. Hello, my dear student. I am Dr. B.S. Subramania, called by name Dr. B.S.S., Professor in Commerce and Management, Vidhyaashram First Aid College, a Temple of Excellence, MYSURU. I am going to hand Business Statistics, third semester, Unit 1, Session 3 in favor of BCom. Statistical data and descriptive statistics are considered. Classification and tabulation of data. First, I am going to explain what is tabulation and how to classify that. Tabulation is a process of systematic arrangement of classified data in rows and columns. Whatever the items come, they should be arranged according to rows and columns. Now, what are the rules of tabulation? Here, I am going to see what are the rules of tabulation. Number one, it should have got a table number. The table should be number for identification. First, there must be a table number. Second one, title. A clear and brief title should be given to the table. So when you construct the table, a brief explanation is necessary. Next step, proper heading and subheading should be given to the columns and rows. Proper heading and proper what's called here, see that heading should be given. Proper heading and subheading should be given in rows and columns. Then body of the table. The body of the table should neat and clean. It should be very neat and clean, and items which are important should be marked and a footnote may be given. Then head note. Any special information regarding the table may be given. Any special information if you want, we can give in the head note. Source of data. How you get this data? The source of data may be mentioned. How you get this data can be mentioned. Last one, logical arrangement. How we have arranged the data in such a way that students should get the answer. There should be logical arrangement of data in the table. This facility is comparison. Just for comparison is considered. So this will ask for 5 marks. This is very important. Now we'll move on the problem, practical problem. Problem number 1. Draw a blank table. A common. So now fill up it. Here we have to mention the year. We have to mention sex, boys and girls. Course BA, BCom and BSc. Now we are going to represent in a blank table. See that? The table showing the course, sex and year. So which are the 3 courses are given? BA, BCom and BSc. Which are the years they have given? 2014 and 2015. So sex means boys, girls total. Boys, girls total. Boys, girls, boys, girls. Same thing goes to 2015. Boys, girls, boys, girls, boys, girls. Blank table. So we are mentioning the sex, no? Boys, girls, BCom, boys, girls. Which are the courses they have got? BA, BCom, BSc, 2014 and 2015. Now, we'll go to second problem. Draw a blank table showing the population of city according to sex, general merit, then 2 years blank table. So, religion, जैसे general merit, CH1, 2A, 3B, SC, ST total. Now, for how many years? 2 years, 2005 and 2010. So, then according to sex, men, women total, 2010, men, women total. How we footnote and source how we get. He wants to know that blank table presenting the population of the city for 2005, 2010. 2005 according to sex, man, This is a man-woman total, man-woman total. Then we have got the religion here, footnote, and the source. Only a blank table. Now come back here. Problem number 3. Present the following information in a suitable table for tabular form. In 2005, out of the total of 1,750 workers of a factory, 1,002 are members of the trade union. Then, the number of women employed was 200, of which 175 does not belongs to trade union. So this is most important. One is a trade union, you have to bifurcate. Table showing the segway distribution of union and non-union members. Category members, non-members, total. So first how much he says? There are 1,750 workers in 2005. In 2005, how many workers are there? 1,750 workers. Factory, 1,200 members of the trade union. 1,200 is the members of the trade union, they say. Out of 1,750, only 1,200 members of the trade union means 550 is not belongs to trade union. Then, the number of women employee was 200. The number of women employee was 200, he says. Then, how about if 175 did not belong to trade union? Here, 175 is the non-members, means 25 is the members. 170 did not. So, come back here. What's the missing figure you have to calculate now? Here, 1,750, 1,200, 550. Out of 550, 175 gone, 375. 1,550, 375 gone means 1,175. This is a missing figure. So they have given 1,750, 200, balance is 1,550. So out of that, 175 is the non-members, means 25 is the member. Out of 1,200, female is 25, means 1,175. 1,175, 375 is 1,550. So this goes in favor of 2005. Then the number of women employee was 200, of which 175 does not belong to trade union. In 2010, the number of union workers increased to 1,580, of which 1,290 were men. Come back here. It has been increased to 1,580. Then 1,000, of which 1,290 were men. Out of 2,090 were men, means the balance 290 goes to female. Number of workers, 1,050, 1,050. On the other hand, the number of non-unions fell down to 208, of which 180 were men. It fell down to, come back, 208, of which, on the other hand, the non-unions fell down to, of which 180 were men. 208 here, 180 were men. Remaining 28 goes to female. So only missing figure you have to calculate. Out of 1,780, the balance is this. If you add this, no, it is 1,470. Out of 1,078, 1,470 gone me, the balance is 318. Out of 208, 180 gone, the balance is 28. Out of 1,590, 1,290 gone, the balance is 290. Missing figure. Then, next one. In 2015, there were 1,800 employees who belongs to trade union, of which 50 does not belongs to trade union. Come back here. 1,880 belongs to trade union, 50 does not belong to union. The total number is 1,850. 1,850 trade union who did not belong to trade union. Of all the employees in 300 were women. Of all the 300 were women. Out of 1,080, 300 were women, means 1,550 is the men missing. Or women, of which only 8 does not belong to trade union. Of this does not belong to trade union, means how much belongs to trade union? 292. So 1,088 minus 292 is 1,508. 50 minus 8 is 42. Add this, no? This is 1,550, this is 300. This is 1,850. The missing figure you have to calculate. The office records of a company in the year 2000, there are 1,000 employees. Of these, only 100 were women, 20 women and 300 men were drawing daily wages of 100 or more. By the year, so here we have to separate how many wages below 100, more than 100. Here steps have to be taken. Daily wages below 100 rupees, 100 and above total 2000, male female total. Come back here. The office record of company in the year 2000, there are 1,000 employees. So there was 1,000 employees given. 1,000 of these 100 were women. Of this 100 were women means 900 were men. Understand? So 1,000 minus 100 is 900. Then 20 women and 300 men were drawing daily wages of rupees 100 or more. Daily 100 or more. How many they says? 20 women and 300 men are drawing daily wages of rupees 100 or more. 300 here drawing the wages of 100 or more. 20 women by the 2005. The number of employees, 100 employees, 20 women and 300 men. 20. Drawing 100 rupees or more. So out of 1,000, 100 gone 900. 900 minus 300 is 600. 100 minus 20 is 80. 1,000 minus 3 is 680. Missing figure. Then in 2005, by the year 2005, the number of employees increased by 25%. So 1,000, it is increased to 1,250. Then, and strength of the woman was doubled. Last time, how much women? 200. So the number of women employees here, 2005. Here, number of, come back here. What's the word they have given? In 1,000, of which 1,050 were men. On the other hand, the number of non-unions fell down to 205, of which 150 were men. In 2015, there were 1,800 employees. 1,800 employees here. Then, by the year 2005, the number of employees increased by 25% and strength of the women employed doubled. 1,250, here 100, it becomes doubled here. So out of 1,250, female employees are 200, the balance is 1,050. Then, what he says? 50% employee, including 60 women, were drawing a daily wages of rupees 100. So how much he says? 50% of the employees, 50% employee, including the 60 women, were drawing a daily wages of 100 or more. In the year 2010, the total strength was 1,500. 100 rupees are more. Here, come back here, the wording. By the year 2005, the number of employees by 25%, 1,250. And the strength of women was doubled. 100 becomes 200, 1,050, 200 is 1,050. Then 50% employee, including 60 women, were drawing a daily wages of 100 or more. Daily wage 100 or more. How many members they are saying? Here, 50% means 625. Out of that, 60 females are drawing. The balance is 565. So deduct 485. Difference is 140. Difference is 625. This goes to 2005. Then in 2010, in the year 2, the total strength was 1,500, of which 40 were women. 1,500, 40% of this is 600 is woman. The balance goes to male 900. Then, in the total strength was 1,500, 40 were women. Only 100 men and 100 women drew a less than 100. 100 female, 100 male, they're drawing below 100. So difference is 900 minus 100 is 800 missing. 600 minus 500 missing. 1,200 gone. These are all missing figures. All missing figures you have to calculate. Hope you understand. We'll have another session regarding mean, median, mode. Till then, goodbye. Meet in the next session.